Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys my top 5 under rupees 500. I have already done a first part of this and this is the second part, so I have another 5 makeup products that I really wanted to share with you guys. I've also created this glam look using just those 5 makeup products. So these products are very versatile. So yes, now if you want to know what are those 5 makeup products, then please keep on watching. So the first product that I have in my list is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This retails for rupees 475, but of course you can get it on discount online. My shade is W320 Warm Caramel in this one, and this foundation is so good, you guys. It does not exaggerate any of your skin texture because it has primer inbuilt in there, so it just gives your skin a very smooth effect. It says that it is matte, but it is not. This gives your skin a very natural semi matte sort of a finish to your skin, and they also come in 15 shades, which is quite good. The coverage of this foundation is medium high, which is amazing at this price point. Just look at the finish of the foundation, it's so damn beautiful. But this is one of those foundation which you cannot do without setting in. You will have to set it with a compact powder or loose powder or whatever you prefer, because otherwise it can transfer. Apart from that, it does not crease, it does not cake, which is amazing. Then the next product I have here with me is Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. This is the matte and poreless one. They also have one oil control one, which is also called the Fit Me. But yeah, this one retails for rupees 480 and the oil control one retails for rupees 199, which is also a great option. But yeah, I had this one, so I am showing you guys this one. I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. But yes, this powder is very finely milled, has a nice pigmentation to it. Like, it's great for daily wear. It controls my oil for some good amount of time and makes my face look instantly matte. I very often reach out to this powder even for my touch-up because it does not make my face look cakey, and it also avoids my concealer and my foundation from creasing, which is again very awesome. The next product I have with me are these Nika K eyeshadow palettes. I have them in two variants, Autumn Spice and Poison Apple. Both of them are really beautiful. The eyeshadows in there are very pigmented and beautiful. The mattes are a bit powdery, but it won't cause you a lot of fallouts. The shimmery eyeshadows are just out of the world. They are foiled, they are beautiful, but they do have a little bit of fallouts if you apply it with a brush. With the fingers, they work perfectly fine, no fallouts, no nothing. They look so reflective and gorgeous. I just love it. They are very pigmented, blends beautifully, and a great option for beginners. The MRP of these eyeshadows are rupees 599, but you will not get it anywhere for 599. You get it online on Flipkart, Hawk Makeup, Nykaa, Amazon, everywhere for rupees 350 or under that. I bought these eyeshadows for rupees 198, so these are just total worth of money, always on discount. Apart from using this as an eyeshadow, you can also use them as a blush, a contour, but make sure you tap off the excess product because these eyeshadows are very pigmented, and if you do not remove the excess product, then you might just end up putting too much on your face. So yeah, just tap it off. You can apply it as a blush, as a contour, as a highlighter, and also to fill in your eyebrows. As an highlighter, it just gives your skin a beautiful glisten, a wet glow to it, and as a contour and blush, it does not fade too easily, which is again a very great thing. The next product I have with me is this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This retails for rupees 355, but again you can find it on discount for around rupees 200. Ever since I have bought this mascara, I am not able to put it down. It just provides so much more volume and length to your lashes. I have 2 of them already restocked with me because I am quite afraid of it getting out of stock. They are currently available on Flipkart, so make sure you grab yours before they get out of stock. I will leave the link to that in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. But oh my god, this mascara is a must-have. It is such a beautiful product, and I'm so glad Essence Cosmetics is finally in India because it is a really good and affordable brand to try. So yeah, that was my 4th product. Now moving on to our last product, I have these Specta Matte Lipsticks. They're completely matte on the lips, like you can see. They do not have any sheen to it. They last for some really good amount of time and fades evenly, which I really like about these lipsticks. And because they are matte bullet lipsticks, so they can tug and pull your lips, so make sure your lips are well exfoliated and moisturized before you apply these. But yeah, these lipsticks are not at all drying on the lips and look matte, which makes it a good option for beginners. I have 4 shades in this. This is called Alpha. Then we have Spicy Mommy. Beautiful burnt orange shade it is. Then And then I have a Troublemaker, which is a sort of reddish pink shade. Then we have Alpha, which is a beautiful pink color. I wear it too often. So yes, that was it for the second part of my favorite makeup products under rupees 500. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, if you want me to do a part 3 of this, or maybe top 500 rupees 300, top 500 rupees 200, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And also share and like this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will also be mentioned in my description box below. And I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.